Hey guys, welcome back for another shop spotlight. Today we are talking about Ann and Joy. This shop was started by two sisters out of Miami, Florida, and it is one of my very favorites. They make resin jewelry with pressed real flowers in them, and they make beautiful pieces. One of my favorite things about this shop is that they make custom jewelry. So if you have a flower from an event, whether it be a wedding or a memorial flower, they will actually inlay that in resin for a custom piece for you, and they're just gorgeous. This shop was started back in 2016 and has over 5,200 sales and 300 items. So they are a must check out type shop. If you are in the market for a gift or just something special for yourself, I encourage you to check them out. I will leave you a link below in the description, both to their shop directly on Etsy and to our original shop spotlight. As always, friends, thank you so much for stopping in. I hope you'll give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future handmade shop spotlights.